Good evening. 26 Charlie Tango 1059. Wednesday the 19th of November 2014. It's the midweek DX. Up on the edge, Gloucester for the night's DX. Hopefully try and work some of the stations going up towards Manchester and a little bit further up. We'll be having a listen out for them on the sideband, and hopefully we'll put a few calls out and hopefully get a few contacts, and obviously we'll be joining in on UK 28 FM for the Southern Net. That's the setup tonight, Capo DX 5000s with the KL 300. Drive on mount tonight. Got three 6-foot sections, telescopic mast tonight with the Antron on top. Which is about 16 foot there. Don't know how well this will come out, but this is the view we have from the car. All the lights there. Not sure of the area, but we're pretty high up.
One sec there, Wayne. Yeah, Jason, have you got a report there for him, please? Yeah, he's 5x5, Mark, 5x5. Yeah, cheers there, Jace. Yeah, 5x5 into Wiltshire there, break, no problem at all. Yeah, Wayne, copy.
Yeah, copy.
Yeah, you're making out to Salisbury Plain there, 5x5, so no problem there, mate.
Yeah, cheers. I know he's there, you know what I mean, but he's like in the back of the box here, I can't understand him.
Yeah, Roger. But never mind, you're making out, that's all right.
What's the returning?
7/5, Andy. Booming down to me, mate, but I wouldn't expect any less from you, my friend.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Jace, yeah. West side of the Malvers today, mate. Yeah, good evening to you, Darren and Hereford. Not Stones, so good evening, Darren. Yeah, no problem, Jason. A bit of a foggy night, the mist is dropping, mate, but we're up on the Beacon Road, mate. We're working sort of southwest today, Jace, Roger.
Yeah, understood there, Andy. It's
earlier on one of your rovers, but unfortunately the rain started to fade out on me. Yeah, it's a bit clear anyway. Like I say, I try and hold it off quite too long, pass it around again and see if anybody else is coming through. I did catch Darren earlier, so maybe I can get back there.
Yeah, we're safe in there. We're sitting on this side there, so if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Lovely signal down to me, mate, as always.
Roger, got you ready near 5 tonight, that's quite good.
Okay, the side of the Charlie Tango net, 1256 high ground, what's this, your lift net? I have got another one there calling, mate, but unfortunately we've got a mic here, but I don't know if you can hear me, but you're just in the mic here, mate.
This is the only place on the Lickies you can get where you enter amongst trees.
Yeah, I'm in the lorry, and the trees are up against the left-hand side of the cab, and the antenna's rammed inside them.
Oh, Roger, well, in that case you're doing pretty well.
Yeah, the old video there is pretty sturdy, and it does get out fairly well.
On a 2-foot rubber shot there, Kevin, so nice one there, mate. I'm just about to switch off and hook it back out to the motor, but thanks for the last call there, Kevin, all the best, matey. Okay, I'll let you go. Yeah, thanks for that last one there, about
10 past 10, the net's finally come to an end, about 15 in the log there. Thanks for watching, 7 3s, we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.